Is it fighting you?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Morning, OJ here. She's bugging me. I had to go change my shirt because there's a stain on it. She says, "Oh, there's still a stain on you."
It wouldn't be OJ without a stain on his shirt.
Let's put this like this and nobody will ever know.
It's not covering up, but okay.
Whatever. So, I'm taking a little bit of a detour of what I was going to do. And I'm going to work on some mirrored closet doors. So I've already went out and trimmed them to size because that's way too noisy to be putting on video. And I already had put the baseboards in this room before we moved here. So now I have to cut a little slot for the mirror door to fit into.
Raven's not happy because
Always something.
you're in Raven's room and she's wanting
Raven's
to get
room,
in.
yeah, whatever. And the girl's gone, so we're gonna do this
Surprise
just for
her.
her.
It's a little close, tight quarters.
Yeah.
So I'll see what I can
Oh,
video.
Raven.
Yeah, we'll let you in, Ravy.
Raven. Come on,
Come on, Raven.
Raven.
Where are you, Raven?
There you are.
Where'd you go? Oh,
Right.
well. I'll get her later.
Yeah.
Okay, where are you, girl? There. She just hates to be not in a video.
Little
Oh,
superstar.
yeah, look at Wavy. You happy now? Okay,
Okay,
let him get
back
back to work.
Back to work. I figured we'll show you a little bit of this. This piece clips into this piece, and then I can screw it up, and then she's all good.
Have a better look at that. What does it see from the top here?
Not really.
So it clips in there.
No clip here.
Raven went out of the room, so
Yeah,
now
we just-
she's mad again.
Somewhere, wherever the clip is, yeah.
Okay.
Lemon in here.
Do you need some help? No? I'll hold that for you. Is that, you want that flush on the front? Because I could help hold that too.
You can just.
Yeah. That was noisy.
So, there's that.
That was easy.
That was easy.
Next step is what, the one along the bottom?
Yeah. Maybe I'll hang a door just because.
Just to make sure you got it right.
Yep, that's right.
Good idea. Ooh, it looks a little snug at the bottom there.
So, I need to adjust these so I can get them clicked onto the track.
Little wheel runs in the little track.
The wheel runs
So
in
they're
the track.
too high or too low?
They were too tight.
You have to bring it down a titch. Okay. Door number 2. Going in.
Ow!
Is it fighting you?
Yeah.
Whoopsie.
Oh, I had her. I think you're going to have to help on this one.
Okay. Well, look at that, eh? 2 OJs. All
I
done?
just gotta
Oh, you still need to put
well,
the
I've done this one. Now I need to do this one.
some adjusting.
Yeah.
And then,
There's like 2 of us here.
I know, that's what I said. But down here, once you've got that done,
Yeah. And
you
put
have
the track.
to put the track on there.
So there's the track. Put that down there. Once I notch this one and that one, and then
Screw that
the
down.
little thing, yeah, screw it down, and then there's little clips on the back of the mirror, and
yeah.
you just push them down and they click into there
You need to
And
make
they
sure that it's lined up perfectly.
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 So I'm going to adjust this one back up, and so there I got that one cut out, and this one here cut out. So now let's see if whether the track fits or not. So there, the track's in. I had to adjust just a little bit with the little tool there, but now we'll put some screws in it, and then we're ready to clip the doors into place. There.
Up there.
So we put these screws in, and then we're
Done.
done.
Well,
Other than clipping the doors, and then we'll
Yeah.
show you that.
and then at some point, I guess I have to touch up some paint.
Yep.
Actually, I'm just noticing, never painted them. Baseboards are all just
Yep.
primed anyways, so I guess I've got work to do
I
someday.
guess you have more work to do.
More work to do. Okay, now you have to do something with the doors.
Yep. I was going to, I know I said I was going to show you clipping these in, but being I can't get right in the closet, the two of us, to video this, I'm just going to do it. And so it's just a little thumb thing you push in and push down. And
So we just take your word for
just
it.
take my word for it.
Okay.
If OJ can do it, anybody can do it.
Get in the closet, eh? Nope, can't see.
No, I need it.
I tried.
There, done.
And how long did that take? Maybe
Oh, maybe
30 minutes?
30 minutes, half an hour. Oh, or it's the same thing. 45 minutes, half an hour. So yeah, she'll be happy. I was going to say we would wait for her to come home and get surprised, but she needs to do the thumbnail for this, so unless I do the thumbnail. Oh, yeah.
So that's it for this one.
That's it for this one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.
Double OJ.
Double OJ. Double down. Double OJ.